Where your career takes you depends on where you've been. Le Cordon Bleu Sydney opened its doors in 1996. Today, in partnership with TAFE New South Wales, Le Cordon Bleu delivers world-class culinary arts programs, hotel and restaurant management degrees, and gourmet short courses. Set on 25 acres of beautifully landscaped gardens with views to the Blue Mountains, Ryde Campus is an internationally recognized specialist training center for hospitality, tourism, horticulture and environmental management. It is one of the largest hospitality training centers in the Asia-Pacific region. Our Sydney Institute is in one of the world's most iconic cities, surrounded by the sparkling waters of Sydney Harbour, with leafy gardens and green parklands to explore. The facilities at our Sydney Institute are equally impressive, with modern, comfortable teaching spaces, on-site training venues and fully equipped learning resource centres, state-of-the-art commercial kitchens and wine sensory rooms, all ensuring that Le Cordon Bleu maintains the highest quality accredited teaching standards and student experience. It's your turn to discover for yourself the rewards of a Le Cordon Bleu education and continue the tradition of excellence.